In the previous video, we landed in Morocco, the second country of our around-the-world honeymoon adventure. In this episode, we briefly explore the city center and explain why we were so uncomfortable in this country. We get an unexpected interruption during filming this vlog, which turned out to be one of the highlights of the visit.
Behind the scenes B-roll, Marrakech edition. We are waking up this morning in Marrakech.
Welcome to Morocco!
So we had a food tour scheduled for 10 o'clock this morning, but
they canceled on us.
Just looking at all of the tours and things that are available to do here, it seems like this is very much a nightlife city.
Very much so.
And stuff does not come alive until 5, 6 o'clock, and it goes well into the night. I mean, we went out to the market at
11 o'clock and they were just starting to wrap up. And even at 11 p.m. there was still a bunch of stalls open.
But at 11 o'clock, I mean, our plan is to head back to the airport that time tonight. So, I don't know, we gotta figure out something to do today.
Let's see what we get into. This apartment is absolutely beautiful. Should we give them a tour?
We can.
Okay.
Here's one of the bedrooms. This ornate molding is incredible.
I can't get over it. I really can't. Not only did they do like the little spot right there, but like up in the ceiling.
This is the main room. I mean, look at that. Look how formal that is. Our bedroom. What I love are these bedroom doors. Look at that. The red and the blue and the yellow. And then bathroom. All right, we're getting ready to head out for the day. Where's the key?
In the door.
Keys to get in and out. Tagine.
We should probably turn off these lights.
You got the key?
I've checked and double checked. And triple checking. Pull it.
There he goes with the garbage.
Which way you want to go?
That's it, right up there. Okay, well, here we are. We're gonna head to a Medina, I think, or something, I don't know. Huh? So our Airbnb host, Jamila, just met us here on the street as we were walking the market, and she walked up to Aaron and she said, "Aaron?" And I'm like, "Who knows me in Marrakech?" I'm like, "Is she a subscriber?" Who is? But she's super nice, our Airbnb host, and she's gonna call us a taxi for tonight to head back to the airport. So that's really cool. But in the meantime, we're just gonna take in the sights and the sounds. It's pretty overwhelming here, isn't it?
Yes.
The
Very
food,
busy.
Oh gosh, the spices here, guys, it's amazing. We're just trying to find some food. You know, everybody's kind of looking at us, talking to a camera, but that's the life, right?
That's the life.
So yeah, we're gonna continue on, maybe try to find some coffee and some tagine. Look at these old computers. Kitty cat.
Yeah, I saw it run out in front of us.
Oh, look at the babies. So we're here at our favorite little local spot here because we don't know where else to go. And we just got some amazing food. Look at this, you guys. How is it? Good? Mm-hmm. We got some sauces here. We're not sure exactly what they are. We're gonna chat out. So we just finished eating. That food was really good. And so shout out to the guys at our restaurant there. I can't read it, but you guys were awesome. The food was good. So thank you for that.
We got
2 sandwiches, fries, and this big water, all for 50 dirham, which is like 5 USD.
Yeah, it's insanely cheap. So, let me get out of the road. That's the thing when you come here, the foot traffic, you've got to watch out for all the people on the motorcycles and the mopeds, because you could get run over.
Or do you want to walk down this street? We haven't walked down that way yet. Which way? Straight, that way?
We quickly became very uncomfortable walking around the city, so we stopped at a store for some food for the rest of the day and went back to the Airbnb.
We may have actually locked the door.
Oops.
We packed up our things and relaxed until the taxi came to pick us up. Aaron took a nap and I worked on sorting footage.
Oh yeah. So there's a rooftop deck here.
It's open, so it smells like straight up.
Oh. This is nice. Oh. Goose.
Probably all done by hand, too.
I don't know about you, but I'm very overwhelmed with smells.
Yeah. Link up here to our honeymoon around the world route. Behind the scenes B-roll, Marrakech edition. So I don't know what this is called. A hut? I don't know. What is this called?
It's the patio?
I know, but there's like some name for it. But it really keeps things cool. It's not hot in here.
No.
Yeah, I'm ready to bounce up out of here.
What's up?
Y'all, I wish I'm gonna put another shot here in the video so you guys can see what the camera setup is. I got the Mantis Pod. Shout out to Mantis Pod. We love this thing. There's 2 versions of it, a white one and a black one. We'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick one up for yourself. But yeah, 4:30 in the afternoon.
Beautiful out.
It's dry. I mean, no kidding, it's dry. It's the desert. But like my mouth is dry, but we're really close to water, so it's weird.
It's not like Florida.
Marrakech, the real deal. The food smells amazing. The spices.
Tastes amazing. We just don't really know what to do. You know, it's our first time here. We're here for a short period of time. We have booked a food tour. Granted, we did book it at like 1 o'clock this morning. It was very last minute that we booked it. And we woke up to a cancel.
And the other thing is like, nobody wears shorts. Everybody's skin is covered, and we have long pants, but we're in shorts, and we're walking around down in the Medina, and nobody had on shorts. Everybody has on long pants. So that weirded me out, and I'm like, I feel out of place, I feel underdressed, and I feel like I'm disrespecting the people, so.
And then, you know, we don't speak French or Arabic, so, you know, we kind of set ourselves up for failure a little bit on this one.
We had the food tour, but they canceled, and
again, we did book it last minute. That was our bad. But also, you know, we booked it for 10 a.m. because we have a 6 a.m. flight.
What is going on? Oh, is it prayer time?
It may be.
What time is it? 4:50. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Like, it's coming from all directions. I hear it in all the directions. All these different parishes, I don't know what they are, but all of them are doing it.
They're mosques.
Mosques, sorry.
Visit the prayers throughout the day.
So this one was
ASR.
ASR.
We didn't want to risk not being able to get a ride to the airport during the early morning hours, so we went at 11 p.m. and sat in the terminal until our 6 a.m. flight. We were woefully unprepared for Morocco, but know for next time to fully cover our skin and have a visit longer than 24 hours.
Y'all, we got to Marrakech Airport, Manera Airport. There are
Beautiful airport.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There are cats everywhere, like running wild all over the place. And they came over here and we're trying to get our little chicken kebab and our jelly beans. The cats are everywhere. They are everywhere. And they're really hungry. I feel so bad, but I can't feed them. Oh, au revoir. Look at that side. All right, what time is it?
3:49 a.m.
Star date 3:49 a.m. 6th of February 2024. Stop walking, stop walking. We have been stamped out of Morocco.
Hurrah.
We are now on the air side, ready for our flight to Milan. Where is your stress level at now?
It's a lot lower.
Much lower.
I'll be happy once we're there.
Much lower. We will have many stories about Morocco. It was a good experience overall.
It was a new experience.
Very new.
Pushed our comfort level.
Very much so. The line was pushed with this country. So that's good. That's evolution, right?
That's why we travel. Is that way we learn new things. That way we get out of our comfort zone and we get challenged.
And we were challenged, for sure. So, we're gonna go find something to eat.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you have a story to share from a visit to Marrakech? Leave your story in the comments below. Next week, we're in Bergamo, Italy, just north of Milano in the Lombardy region. We love Italy and feel right at home there. Consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a thumbs up on your way out. YouTube will recommend these videos for you to watch next.